Hi, so my name is Mo and I'm your VP Education at the Students' Union. Today I'll be giving you a quick guide to event capture for students. During your studies at Cardiff University, you may find that some of your learning events, such as lectures, are being recorded and made available to you to watch online. This is known as event capture. When your teaching event is being recorded, you can expect a minimum of screen sharing with audio. However, depending on the requirements of the academic and the room facilities, you may also receive a recording containing video footage and alternative display sources, such as visualizers. Learn Plus is Cardiff University's education service responsible for providing this amazing capability. The Learn Plus service is designed to enhance and enrich your learning experience and make teaching more accessible and inclusive. By providing this exciting service, there are a few important things that you need to be aware of. When your event is being captured, you will not be permitted to record the teaching sessions without prior written permission. This is to protect the rights of staff and students who do not wish to be recorded for legal reasons. You will also be informed if the session is being recorded. While many academic staff will be recording and publishing their lectures, this is not a requirement. Also, staff may not release the recordings to you via Learning Central as quickly as you might like. This may be for educational purposes. You may notice some changes to the teaching spaces. Some teaching spaces will have microphones and recording equipment installed. Some rooms will also have a video camera. There will be clear notices in the rooms telling you about the event capture system. It is important that you continue to interact with your lecturers and peers as usual. However, you should be aware that you may be recorded by microphones and cameras if you are sat in view of a camera or you speak during the session. You can opt out by asking questions when the system is not recording and by sitting away from the camera, if there is one in the room. You should state your name if you want to be credited for your contributions in recordings. Sometimes you may be recorded if you are giving a presentation or a performance. Your program may do this for examination purposes or to provide you with support and feedback. If you are recorded for an examination, you will not be able to opt out. For more information on this area, please review the information on the student intranet. Recordings are provided to supplement your attendance to lectures. They allow you to check your understanding and review difficult aspects at a pace that suits you. But it's important to understand that recorded sessions are not a replacement for attending lectures or events in person. Recordings are designed to help you make the most of contact time with academic staff and peers. For more information about how event capture works on your program, please contact your school. If you have any comments or feedback regarding event capture, please tell your program team, course academic rep, or contact the Cardiff University Students' Union.